Hi my dear students, a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to start the new chapter. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Here already you have learned last year itself what is the algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression? Now also I am going to revise you something. What is the algebraic expressions? What is the algebraic expressions? And in this chapter I am going to give you limited questions only. From each exercise I am going to give you limited questions only. That only you can do it. Okay, no need of doing all the questions. Only the limited portions I am going to give you to do. But I am going to give you the explanations for all. What are the things are there that I will give. First, we are going to do the first work is terms, factors, and first one terms, factors, coefficients, terms, coefficients, expressions, terms, coefficients, expressions. First we are going to see expression. Okay, now first I am going to write one term over there, one question term over there, 5xy is squared. Okay, then minus 3xy. This is the example. I have taken as an example one. This is the one example 5xy z square minus 3xy. With this I am going to explain you what is the coefficient, what is the expression, everything. What is the coefficient, what is the expression, everything I am going to say. First one, the whole term. Whole term is called as an expression. Yes or no? This is algebraic expression only, right? This whole term is called as the expressions we have taken. Next we are going to take terms. So terms means the each of the term. This is called as a terms. These two is called as a terms. These two called as a terms. Understood what I have done? First one is whole term together called as a expression. Next, terms means these are together called as a terms. The third one is coefficients. Coefficient means what? What are the things given there in the number? If they have asked what is the coefficient of this first term, we can say only this is the coefficient. The number with the simple, these two are called as a coefficients. Only the numbers we can say as a coefficient. Okay, now you must learn this one only. In the terms, coefficient, expression means the whole term is called as an expression. The terms with the number and variables is called as a term. Only the numbers is called as a coefficients. Only the number is called as a coefficient. This is the first one. According to this, they have done some sums also. According to this, there is a first one question is there, but exercise question is not that much important, so leave it, no problem. Okay, so that one is no need that much important, so you can just leave it. Next, I am going to tell you that monomial, binomial, and polynomial. Okay, next topic is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. First one is monomial. What is the meaning of monomial? Expression that contains only one term. Expression that contain only one term. Expression that contains only one term. Maybe we can take the example that 2x square. 2x square. Only one term is there. Only one term is there. Next one is binomial. Expression that contains two terms. Two terms. That contains two terms is called as a binomial. So example, we can take that 2x squared plus x. 2x squared plus x. Okay. Next, trinomial. Trinomial. Expression that contains three terms. That expression that contains three terms. That is example. We can take that 5x square plus 2x plus 3. 2x plus, here three terms are there. Right? Next one is polynomial. Next one is polynomial. What is a polynomial? Polynomial means one or more terms. One or more terms is called as polynomial. One or more terms. Any terms, these are called as a polynomial. First three we have the monomial, binomial, trinomial. After that all the things are called as a polynomial. After that all the things are called as a polynomial. Example, we can take that x power 4 plus x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. How many terms are there? This is one, we can say that polynomials. This is the one we can say that polynomials. Understood? What is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial? These are the things. Only you must know this much enough. Only you know this much enough. No need of doing any sums over and all in the exercises. Okay? In the exercises, no need to do any works over there. But in this there is a addition and subtraction. That is also not that much important. So no need of. Only you must know this one. That is enough for you. Only you must know this much. That is enough for you. So in this, I just taken out. Okay. The exercise 9.1, no need. Exercise 9.1, no need. We cancel that one. Then exercise 9.2 is there. That also no need. That is also multiplying by the monomial, polynomial only. It is given there. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything you know that. So no need of this one also. Next, very very important thing is algebraic expressions we have completed. Only this one. This much you know. According to that we have to do the sums and all. You can know that with addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we just stop in this. We just stop in this. The next very very important topic is identity. The next very very important topic is identity. So in this I am telling you 9.1 no need. Okay, exercise 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4 cancelled. Okay, these are cancelled. Okay, we can do now exercise 9.5. 9.5, it is based on the identities. It is based on the identity. Identity. What is the identity first? In the maths, especially in the algebraic, what is the identity? What is the identity? Identity means is an equality. Identity means is an equality. E-Q-U-I E-Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. E-Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Equality. Is an equality which is true for all the values for the variables in the equality. Identity means it is an equality. Identity means it is an equality. That's all. Is an equality for all variables. For variables. For variables. Okay. Is an equality for variables. This is the one you have to keep it in mind. This is the one you have to keep it in mind. Identity means what? Identity means what? So according to this, in this chapter, 9.5 fully based on this one only. Fully based on this one only. Now, this year we are going to learn few identities. Basic identities are there. So I am going to give you some standard identities that you have to learn. Now I am going to give you 4 identities for this year. So identity number 1. Identity number 1. It is based on A plus B the whole square is equal to. When they are given A plus B the whole square, we have to write the value A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. This is the first identity. This is the first identity over there you have to write. Okay. Then the second one. Second identity, A minus B the whole square is equal to A squared minus B squared minus 2AB. Minus 2AB. Okay. Then the third identity, I have given you that is A minus, that is A square, that means here A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is the third identity. And then the fourth identity. Fourth identity is that x plus A into x plus B is equal to x plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. These are the 4 identities, very important. Very important. You must learn this identity. You must learn, not practicing. Okay, here you must learn this 4 identity, because the next year it is going to follow further by 6, 7, 8. Like this identity will continue. So now today I have given you the introduction of algebraic expressions. Why I didn't do the 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4? It is all based on the multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Already we have learned last year itself. So I just given the definitions over there. Definitions over there for the monomial means what, binomial means what, trinomial means what, polynomial means what. Like that I have given you the only definition over there. And in the 9.5, that is a very important one in this chapter. So I have started the 9.5. Only the identity. Identity means is an equality for variables. For this, in this there is a 4 identities there for this year. I have given you the 4 identity. You have to write A plus B the whole square is equal to A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. A minus B the whole square is equal to A squared minus B squared minus 2AB. Third one is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Then fourth one is x plus A into x plus B is equal to x squared plus A plus B into x plus AB. Okay, these 4 identities you must learn and write it in your copy also. What are the things I have done in the board? Everything you have to write it in your copy also. Okay, we will meet in the next session with the exercise 9.5. We will continue. Okay, students, take care. Bye.